In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp Content Optimizer for higher email open rates. We'll walk through where to find the optimizer inside Mailchimp, how to read what it tells you, and how to use those insights to improve the parts of your email that have the biggest impact on opens, like the subject line and preview text. I'll keep it straightforward and practical so you can follow along with your own campaign. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area. This is the hub where all your email campaigns live: drafts, scheduled messages, and anything you've sent before. Find the specific email you want to optimize. If you're working toward better open rates, choose an email that's in draft, or one you're updating before your next send. Click into that email to open its details. Next, select Edit Design. This takes you into Mailchimp's email builder, where your content and settings are side by side. You'll see the email canvas in the center and a control panel on the left. That left-hand panel is important. It's where you manage content blocks, styles, and comments, and it's also where you'll access the optimization tools we need. Look along that left side for the Optimize option and click it. This opens Mailchimp's Content Optimizer, which analyzes your email and organizes its findings into focused sections. Think of it as a smart checklist grounded in email best practices. It flags anything that could hurt performance and highlights quick wins that can lift opens and engagement. You'll typically see guidance related to your subject line, preview text, readability, and deliverability signals. Start by going to the Errors section. These are issues that can seriously impact performance or even prevent a smooth send. Common examples include missing or problematic subject lines, missing preview text, broken or malformed links, and placeholders that were never filled. Errors can also include things that make your message look unfinished, like empty content areas. Treat this section as your first priority. Fixing what you see here usually gives you immediate gains in clarity and credibility, which helps with opens. Next, click on links. While links themselves don't directly drive opens, link quality and clarity influence trust, which can lift overall performance. The optimizer will list links it finds in your email and flag anything that looks off. Use this view to double check that each link goes to the right destination and that the anchor text is descriptive, not vague. If your subject line makes a promise, your links should align with that promise. Consistent messaging helps readers feel confident opening your emails over time. Then click on Merge Tags. Merge tags are those dynamic placeholders that personalize your message, such as using a recipient's first name or inserting other audience data. The optimizer helps you spot tags that might be missing, mistyped, or risky to use without a fallback. Personalization can lift open rates when it's relevant and accurate, especially in subject lines and preview text. Make sure any tags you rely on are recognized by Mailchimp and backed by reliable audience data, so you don't end up with awkward or empty values. As you review the optimizer's guidance, keep your focus on the two elements that most influence open rates: your subject line and your preview text. Aim for a subject line that's clear, specific, and scannable on mobile. Keep it concise and avoid gimmicks that could trigger filters. Pair it with preview text that complements, not repeats, the subject line, giving readers a reason to open. The optimizer often calls out length, clarity, and tone cues that can help you refine both. Work through the optimize panel until you're comfortable with what it's showing. Tidy up errors, refine your links and labels, and ensure your merge tags are clean and intentional. When everything looks good in the optimizer, return to your design to finalize your content, and you'll be in a strong position to achieve higher open rates with your next send.